Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Valentine's look that I'll be recreating. I know Valentine's is around the corner and I know y'all need some ideas, and I hope y'all like this look. It was pretty simple for me. It only took me like about 10 minutes to do one eye, or maybe even less. No, it was about like 10 minutes. It was pretty simple for me. All I did was pack on colors and then just grab a simple concealer and glitter and just put it on my eyelid. I hope all of y'all are doing something for Valentine's. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do for Valentine's yet, but hopefully we'll figure that out. I know I'll be working, and then after that I don't know, but hopefully y'all like this look, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And when you need to be notified when I upload a new video, just go ahead and hit the bell on the side of subscribe. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, I hope you all like this look, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Hey guys, so in case you all are new to my channel, I am Gabby. So the palette I'm going to be going in with is the James Charles palette. I really like this palette because it has a ton of colors and I love it so much, and so I'm going to be going in with this palette. As you can see, it has many of different colors, but the colors I want to focus on is the red and the pink. That's what I'm going to be playing with today. And the brushes that I will be using are from Morphe. I have two from Morphe, another one from AOA. I don't know if y'all have heard of that, but I got mine from Dallas. My brushes from Dallas, and then from Dual Color. I really love their brushes actually. But yeah, that's what the brushes I'm going to be going in with. The primer I'm gonna use is the Anastasia one. I really love this primer. It like really brings out the colors of everything. And then I'm gonna add some glitter, which is from NYX. And then I'm going to go in with the concealer from ColourPop. It's a very light shade. It's Fair 02. I went with like a very light shade so that it can bring out the colors, and it's very white, but I love it. First of all, I'm gonna go in with the primer, and so I'm just gonna put a little bit on this thin brush, and so I'm just gonna get a little bit, and then I'm gonna do both eyes. I just keep patting it down, and then I can build as much as I want just to make it lighter. This really helps with the colors. It makes the colors pop, and it also makes the eyeshadow last longer on your eyelid. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with, I'm using this as a canvas, just like as a base for my eyelid, just so that it can make the colors easier to play around with. I'm gonna go in with the canvas one, this light one right here. So I'm just gonna pat it and then pat it on my palette, and then I'm going in with the big brush because I really just want to blend it out. I'm not trying to, you know, put a ton of the eyeshadow on here. Now that I have applied canvas, I'm gonna go in with this lighter pink. This one is called Pinkity Drinkity, and it's just like a cute like pink color. I really like it. It's cute. The brush I'm gonna go in with is kind of like a blendable brush as well, but it's like a little bit more like smaller, and then apply it to my upper eyelid. And this one you just like swivel around in circles like you're blending. I don't know if y'all can like hear my cat meowing, but she's meowing. She hates me right now. I stuck her in the restroom because she was going crazy. My cat is like crazy, guys. Like, I can't even explain what kind of cat she is. Like, she's just so active. Like, she doesn't like to sit down. Like, she's just always active, running around in the apartment, and I can't control her. If y'all have any recommendations on like what to do, please tell me, because she's just everywhere. Like, she's everywhere. She doesn't want to chill out. Alright, so the next color I'm going to go in with is this red one. This one is called You're Kidding, right? Yeah, You're Kidding. You're kidding, right? And then the brush I'm going to go in with is one of the Dew colors, and then it's a little bit more like put together so that you can pack it well on there. So I'm just going to dab it like this. And it comes out a lot, so you have to make sure you hit it on something so that the excess can come off. So this one, I'm just going to pack it on here. Might need a little bit more. And guys, you have to be careful with colors like this, because if you pack way too much on there, like, it can literally be everywhere. And so I'm packing the color all over my eyelid, as you can see. But I'm kind of sticking to my lower eyelashes so that I can blend it up. You always want to pack and then blend up. So now I'm going to go in with the Morphe JH40. And this one's like a little tiny blending brush. And I'm not going to leave the red like that. That's weird. And then I'm going to pack it on with this color right here. This is Skip. So this is like a very like hot pink. So that we don't want to go too crazy with it. And this one I'm going to go on top of the red. And I'm kind of going to blend at the same time. Once you have gotten like the pink all around on the outside of the red, I would start blending. Now with the same brush, you want to just blend up very, very lightly, guys. Very lightly. Don't go too crazy. Because with like colors like this, it's very difficult. Now I'm going to go in with this concealer, and I'm going to make little hearts right here on the top of my eyelid. That's just something I just wanted to do. You can honestly like do it without if you wanted to, but I don't know, like I thought since Valentine's is coming up, I want to add a little hearts. This is going to be very tedious, so bear with me, guys. I'm grabbing a little tiny brush, like literally it's like really, really tiny. So get like, you can get a smaller brush or something like this would work. So you can use this color right here. It's called Flashback, this white right here. I'm just gonna pat it down. And then I'm just gonna pat it lightly on my heart, just to kind of set them a little bit. I am going to go in with the NYX glitter. And so I'm going to use this as like an eyeliner, and I'm just going to put it all on my upper eye, and then I'm going to like wing it out just a little. Alrighty, so I'm going to let this dry and then put on my eyelashes. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished the other side. And now I'm going to do underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the red, and I'm going in with this brush. It's kind of flat, so you might need a flat little brush, or it can be like a tiny brush like this. But I'm going to go in with this flat one since it already has red on it. And I'm going to grab very little because I do not want to look like a raccoon. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So go ahead and do the other. Just with this one, I'm going to grab a little pink, and I'm just going to go over the red a little bit to try to blend it out with the red. I'm going to go in with Sister. And I'm going to wet it a little bit with the Mario Badescu setting spray, because it just sticks more to my eyelid. And so go in with the little brush like this, and then just slightly pack it, and it gives you that pop to your inner corner, which brightens your eyes. I already have like all my face makeup done, so for my lipstick I'm gonna go in with this Estee Lauder lip kit that my friend gave to me, and I like absolutely love it. It's like so cute. And I'm gonna go in with Suggestive Kiss. I'm gonna try this one just to see how it looks with this pink. I have a red one too, but I kind of just wanted to go in with pink. Really looks cute. How do I look, guys? Is it shining? Guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all really liked it, and I know it can be tedious for the hearts, but you can even like do the glitter that I did with hearts up here, or if you don't want to do hearts at all, like just leave it like a matte color. That's cute too. But I hope you really like this look. Honestly, I went into this look not even knowing what I'm gonna do, but I was like, let me just play around with my colors that I got, and hopefully I come up with something cute. So this is a look. This is the final look. If you like this video, hopefully I get a thumbs up, hit the like button on the bottom, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. But I hope you like this video. And question of the day is, would you do this makeup look for Valentine's Day? I want to know. Just go ahead and put your comment down on the comments below. And yeah, hopefully you like this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, beauties.